In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a sales discount in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're running a promotional campaign or offering a special deal to loyal customers, knowing how to apply a discount correctly is essential to accurately reflect sales figures and keep your accounting in tip-top shape. Let's jump right in and walk through the process step by step to ensure you know exactly what to do. First off, begin by navigating to the QuickBooks Online website and click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the login page where you need to select QuickBooks Online from the available options. Once you've chosen the correct service, it will prompt you to enter your login credentials. Be sure to input your username and password carefully, then click Continue to access your QuickBooks account. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the QuickBooks dashboard. To create an invoice, locate and click on the New button, which is typically situated at the top of the screen. Selecting this will open up a menu of different transaction types. From there, choose Invoice to start the new invoice process. This is where you'll begin entering the details of the sale. With the invoice template open, your next step is to add the customer's information. There will be a designated field for customer, and all you need to do is type in the customer's name or select it from your existing customer list. This ensures that the invoice is directed to the right person or company, maintaining an organized sales record. Following this, it's time to add the product or service that you're selling. Click on the line item section to enter the details, such as product name, description, quantity, and rate of what the customer is purchasing. It's crucial that this information is accurate, as it forms the basis of your transaction. Now it's time to apply the discount. Navigate to the bottom right hand side of the invoice where there's a text field labelled for discount percentage. You'll need to input the discount percentage you wish to apply. This will automatically calculate and display the discounted amount, ensuring transparency and accuracy for both you and your customer. Once everything looks good and you're confident that all the information is correct and complete, the final step is to click on Save and Send. This not only saves the invoice in your records within QuickBooks, but also sends a copy directly to your customer's email. Ensure that you review the email content and format prior to sending, making any necessary adjustments to match your professional standards. And there you have it. You've successfully applied a sales discount in QuickBooks Online. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in adding to your QuickBooks skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy accounting tutorials.